Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to take a screenshot on the iPhone 14. There are two different ways how to make screenshots, the normal screenshots and the rolling screenshot. I will show you both of them. Well, you can make screenshots from almost every screen. So you can make it here from the home screen or within an app like the settings, or of course within Safari. Well, it doesn't matter where you take a screenshot, but there are of course some pages and apps where you cannot do them, like if you want screenshots from digital rights management protected content like Netflix or so on, then it might be difficult, but in most cases it should work. Well, to take a screenshot you have to press the on and off button and here the power volume up button. So if I press them simultaneously, then you can see a little flash and then here the miniature of the screen I have just taken. So after about 5 seconds it disappears. So when I go to the settings and I'll do the same thing, then you can see here the same thing. Okay, I can click on it and you can see now I am in the edit mode. So I can now crop this image and I can also make it a little bit smaller, and I can also here paint something in there and do other things. Well, there are a lot of different ways and possibilities what I can do. Okay, so I'm ready and I'm finished now. So when I'm finished now, I say just done. And it says then save to photos, save to quick notes, save to files, copy and delete, or delete screenshot. Well, I say save to photos. And then when I go into my photos, allow, and I go here and you can see here is my screenshot. All right, so it's pretty easy. The same thing is when you're doing screenshots and this disappears, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that it's gone. It's just directly in your photos. Okay, so here is my screenshots I have just taken, and then I can again go to the edit mode and I can just crop it and do other things. All right, so I can do this one. I can adjust here the temperature and other things, and when I'm done, I'm done. All right, so I also told you something about rolling screenshots. Rolling screenshots means that the content is bigger than the screen you have. So if I go here to a German site, it doesn't matter what kind of site, and you can see here I can scroll. All right, so when I want to take a screenshot from here, I just again press the two buttons and then I press here, and you can see here now it's screen and full page. So I can also make the screenshot from the full page, and you can see here when I'm going down, just here, and you can see here is the complete screenshot, a long screenshot from the whole page. So it's pretty easy to make screenshots from longer pages. You don't have to make 20 different screenshots and always scroll down. So it makes a whole screenshot. So when I say done, save PDF to files, okay, save, then I can make a PDF from them. But I can of course also do my writing and also do my comments here, eSIM and so on and so forth. And when I'm done, I can save the PDF to files, and then I have it in my downloads or shortcuts, or it doesn't matter where. So this is the way how you take screenshots on your iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.